Hey yo guys, welcome to the second episode of the 0 to 10K challenge. In a previous video on this channel, I set myself the challenge to start off with $0 to my name, yes, exactly $0, and see if I could make it to $10,000 in profits. And we ended off episode 1 with a solid, strong start, honestly. And here's a spoiler if you still want to see that video, and I recommend you would. And we earned a grand total of $475 in profits to start us off for this series, which I think is an astronomical start. And so in case you want to find out how we started off with $0 and what got us to $475, I recommend you check that out in the previous video, since I'm not going to go super in depth how we managed to do that and bore you guys with the same thing that we already explained and outlined in further detail within the last video. So since the last episode, we left it off grinding out affiliate marketing and hoping for some sales with our Fiverr seller account. And now we are actually up to a whopping $740 from affiliate marketing. And currently we're still standing strong on the $120 from Fiverr from the store that we managed to create, which puts us up at a grand total of $860 to start us off for this episode. So that means we're super close to the 1K mark, which is a huge milestone that we want to hit. So let's get back right into the interesting part. The next few days were honestly quite boring. I kept refreshing my Fiverr seller account, kept on waiting and hoping to get a new sale in. No new orders were coming in. I added a few more listings on my Fiverr seller account to hopefully spark some more interest and hopefully get a few more orders in, and nothing really happened until this happened.
Okay, this could be massive for us for this challenge. Now, I just came up to Fiverr, browsed a little bit to see if we had any offers coming in, and behold, we actually do have it. Mila Lee, hello, I'm looking to create a niche store from you. I would like you to find products and suppliers. I would like the niche to be something unique. If possible, I'm open to suggestions. And this looks promising. We could have our very second sale for this entire project with Fiverr, and that could be massive for us. And I'd probably even, or my intention is to charge a little bit more for a niche store, because it is a little bit more effort than a one product store. We'll see how it goes, but fingers crossed we get this sale for us.
If you're enjoying the video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you could actually like this video, comment down below, and also subscribe to the channel. A lot of you guys that watch these videos aren't subscribed, and let's be honest, that ain't okay. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and you want to help my channel and boost the YouTube algorithm so that my videos can be pushed to a broader audience. I would really kindly appreciate it. And while you're at it, you might as well drop a little follow on Instagram. I'd appreciate it. Let's continue with the video. After messaging back and forth, we managed to get the order for $250, which is absolutely great for us. So I got right onto it. The client explicitly asked for a high ticket store within the health and wellness niche. So I did some proper product research the very first day to find the very best products. You already know we have to over deliver. So over the next few days, we grinded out and created the branded niche store for hopefully our very satisfied customer. And we managed to finish the store and deliver it to the customer. And boom, that's another $200 accredited to our total balance right now. So with the latest order completion of the Fiverr store, plus the previous store, that puts us at $320, plus our affiliate income so far, that's $740, which puts us just slightly above the 1K mark, which is a huge milestone, puts us at $1,060. And this just fortunately opens up so many more new possibilities to us. Now, yes, I could continue grinding out affiliates day in, day out, and continue it with the Fiverr selling gigs, which I'm gonna do, but definitely not as aggressively as with different projects, just to spice it up a little bit more. And honestly, to reach the 10K mark would definitely take a little bit of time, and it just wouldn't be as interesting if that was the only thing that I would be doing throughout the entire series. So I decided to put the decision in your hands by putting it up for vote within my Instagram story. I let you guys choose between drop shipping, drop servicing, day trading, reselling, and gave you 24 hours to decide what I should do next. So we're back with the results. 24 hours have passed and it was an absolute landslide. It wasn't even close. So it was clear that it was going to be dropshipping, and I must say, I'm not really surprised. I expected it. So our goal is to find a product that can bring us in consistent sales over a decent period of time and that we hopefully can scale aggressively. Now, obviously, maybe it's not gonna be the first product, but if we continue, I'm sure this could be our golden ticket to hit the 10K in no time and accelerate the process of this whole series. But what are we actually looking for this particular product? Well, number one, the first criteria that we need are good profit margins, or else we're not gonna really move further. So it might be interesting to even look into higher ticket dropshipping items, might be a good shout, or something that is selling extremely well, and we can still maintain at least a $20 to $30 profit margin. That would be a great start. Ideally, also, we should have a product with mass market appeal or appealing to a passionate audience, and hopefully, that'd be great, a problem-solving product or a problem that solves a specific pain point if it is strong enough. So those would be some ideas for products to look out for. And now we have to start the product research grind and hopefully find a product that fills all these criteria and that we can start testing in no time after we've built our store and hopefully scale it rapidly for some great results. Now I did some product research trying to find some banging products to sell, but nothing really was catching my attention. Nothing was super sick. But then I found something. I practically struck gold. The ad of this product had fantastic engagement, very few competitors, and very, very solid profit margins. So we have a lot of these criteria that are ticked. But here's the catch, and also the curveball. It's not a dropshipping product. It's actually a print-on-demand product. Hey, what's POD? I'm glad you asked. POD stands for print on demand, and the concept of print on demand is actually fairly similar to dropshipping. To give you guys a quick explanation for those of you that don't know, the goal is to find a design that is interesting to a passionate audience, which could honestly be literally anything. It could be cartoons as yourself, pretty much as a Simpson character, like the very famous site Turned Yellow. Could be simple t-shirt designs of trending topics, hobbies like these t-shirts, custom printed portraits of your pets, even as medieval landowners. So there are lots of great unique designs that your customers will love buying if you find the winning product for you. And let's be honest, no one actually needs a cartoon portrait of themselves as a Rick and Morty character. I mean, it's great, but you can't really argument that it is a necessary and a must-have in your life. So in this instance, we're really banking on the emotional factor, and because people just love to customize stuff, they love having stuff on themselves, friends, family, it's a perfect gift, and therefore this is why print on demand as a whole works so damn well. Just think back many years ago when Nike ID initially came out and where you were able to customize your own sneakers. I was spending tons of hours on that, just playing around, seeing what kind of nifty combinations I could create, and it was just the whole idea of personalization and that you can add your own little touch to it, your own little flair, add your initials, add your name. People love having their stuff on it and giving their own customization factors to it. And so if we can find a design that is interesting to this potential audience, we can then go ahead, similar to dropshipping, take this particular design and market it via Instagram, Facebook ads, Google ads, whatever advertising platform you'd like, maybe even influencers as well, present them to a hopefully interested customer, and then once they place the order, we create the design and order it from our supplier, and then pretty much they take care of the rest and send the product over to a hopefully new happy customer. And pretty much that's POD in a nutshell for you. The product is actually really, really simple, and yeah, you'd actually be surprised how simple it is if you would know the product. And we don't actually need any extra designers to create these particular designs for us, but since we're balling, we're doing well, we're moving up in life, we're gonna outsource this because, you know, we're smarter, not harder. And we're just gonna find a fitting freelancer and outsource the whole design creation to someone on Upwork, you know? It's gonna be much easier for us because then we can actually invest our time into building and creating the store and also launching and preparing the ads, the whole marketing strategy behind it. So I posted the job listing on Upwork and hired a freelancer to create the designs and templates for order fulfillment for me. And in the meanwhile, I'll start and create the Shopify store. Now for once, I won't be actually showing the store, the actual product, the design, the domain, just for the reason to ensure that this challenge does stay interesting and that I still have the best chances to scale this product and actually be able to hit the 10K mark with this video series. So let's get started. So the designer has created the designs that we need, the templates, so we're ready to launch. We have the store ready, we have the ads ready and set up. We're gonna be running 8 ad sets right now at each $10 per day. So we're gonna be spending $80 per day at the current moment. So we're pretty much good to go, launch the ads and earn some extra dollar so that we can hopefully wrap up this challenge in the near future, you know? And you might be asking, what's the current balance? What's the current financial situation looking like? Let me give you a short overview. So we ended up spending a total of only $50 for these designs. I know, I told you the designs were super simple. And honestly, that really isn't a bad price point for us. We also had to obviously spend $14 for the domain plus the $29 for the Shopify plan. Those are our initial startup costs, as the ads are super simple to create. No need to create video ads. Image ads do the job. I can still do those. I'm fairly good at them, so not an issue there. So we have a total of $93 in expenses so far, and our total income and our total earnings so far are $320 from our Fiverr gigs plus $775.50 from affiliate marketing so far, which puts us close to $1,100, but obviously we have to subtract $93. And to give you guys a precise number of what we're working with and what you can expect in the next episode of this whole mini series, we have a total of $1,002.50 ready for us to invest into advertising and future endeavors. You never know what will happen in the next few episodes. Get excited. I have a few interesting ideas planned, so better get excited for those. I have the ads set up, ready to go, and we're gonna publish them, click on them live, and now we're good to go. But unfortunately, that's all we have time for today. You're gonna have to tune into the next episode to see how we're gonna scale this little puppy, this little sucker up to the moon. See you guys next time.